All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about 3.1 line thickness. So I hinted around a line thickness in a previous video, so this should not be a terribly new concept. But basically, I want to go in here into Code Assist, and I'm going to grab the starter code just so I can talk through what you get in the starter code and how that correlates. So I'm going to come right here at line 20, which you already see that I have code there. You do not have code there yet, and that's okay. Whoops. What did I do? Shift 3. There we go. And I like to comment that out so that we can see it. So as we've talked before ad nauseum, starter code for drawing a line requires a lot. So we've got Pygame, then we've got our dot operators to draw, then a dot line. Then the next thing we have our open parenthesis because we've got a lot of data in here that goes along with this line. So first thing is the surface. Where is the line going to be drawn? So our surface is our window. We called it window. The next thing in here is our color. So you can see because I have a bunch of just 0, 0, 0, all these lines are going to be black. You're welcome to change that. The next thing is going to be your starting point or your starting tuple. So what we're doing is we're just calling down the tuples that we have stored in our variables up here for left, right, top, and bottom. So instead of typing 0, 200 here, I just type the left. Okay, it looks cleaner. And then our ending point. So I'm calling down top. And then this part right here where it says optional line width. That goes at the very end, and that is how we change the thickness of the line. So this first line we're going to draw is a 2, the next one is a 4 thickness, the next one is a 6 thickness, and the next one is an 8 thickness. All right. I could certainly add another one there if I wanted. What I could do here, since I first called down that starter code, I would have changed it all to be what I needed. And then once you have your window and your color set and all that, it's really easy to just copy that line and paste it, and notice even more of the work is done that I need done. So I'm going to change this here to, do I have a top left? I have a left top. So I'm going to go top left. I just want to create a line that's not over top of the lines I've already created. I have a top right. I don't have a top left, but I have a left top. So I don't know if it's going to work, but I could change this line here to be like 12, right? It's just like a super big line. So let's run it and see what we get. So you can kind of see how thick that line is. It's just over top of another line that's already there. So I don't really need that line. I'm just going to get rid of it. But what if I change this line to like 20? Oh my goodness. Bam. Do you see it? It's like just a massive line. And it almost gives like, ooh, it's like a 3D illusion effect. Isn't that cool? What if I go like 40? I wonder what that's going to do. This is, ooh, even better. Look at that. Very, very 3D. Very 3D. Okay. So that's really it. That's line thickness. Okay. Not a terribly complicated concept. Definitely adds to your designs. You want to keep this in mind. Another thing we could do for line thickness, instead of just this number at the end, we could always create a variable up here for line thickness or line width. And then we could change that number there, and then it could auto update. And that's great if we want all the lines to be the same thickness. And then we can, in one place, change the number and it auto updates the rest. So, it's your prerogative. But other than that, have fun drawing some lines. You're supposed to be drawing, what is it you're supposed to be drawing? Doesn't really say, does it? All right, so just throw some lines down there and show me different thicknesses. That's what I want to see. All right, hope you have no bugs. Bye.